Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the secrets to make money online. So if you're not making money online right now, chances are that you're missing one of the secrets. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing the secrets to make money online. So if you really want to start making money online, maybe you're into the fence and you are not sure if this is going to be for you, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is your time. I'm going to be revealing all, okay? The first secret is that you need to take action, okay? A lot of people are on the learning mode. They are taking a course after a course after a course. They're watching every single YouTube video on the planet, but they're not taking action. They're not implementing the knowledge that they have. Another reason why they're not taking action is because they want to have everything perfect. And perfection is enemy of good enough. Nothing is going to be perfect. Chances are that you're going to be improving your business every single day, and that's okay, but you need to take action. Okay? Don't make excuses, just take action. It's not going to be perfect, but you're going to be connecting with people. People are going to be connecting with your business. You're going to be learning and acquire skills. I'm usually learning myself, but I'm learning something and I'm applying it. I'm learning something and I'm applying it. Okay? Because my business and myself, we are going to be evolving, and the same is going to happen with you. But if you do not take the very first step, nothing is going to change. Okay? Your life, your financial situation, the stress that you have right now is going to be exactly the same because you are not taking action. So go ahead and start your business right away. Take a business model that you feel comfortable with it. It is okay if you change it in the future. Okay, that's part of evolving. Okay, but take action. Take action right away. Have a commitment with your success. Okay. The second thing is negativity. Oh my God, I do have tons of people who are reaching me because of the businesses opportunities that I promote or the tools that I promote, and these are really negative people. They're always making excuses. They're always overthinking about ridiculous circumstances that never happen. And those circumstances never happen because they never take action. Okay? So do not overthink. Nothing is going to be perfect. Chances are that you are going to be doing some tweaks in your in your route to success or your route to be success, but that's okay. But do not overthink. What if XYZ happen? What if blah blah blah? Did you ever consider XYZ? Hey, take action. Do not be negativity. Do not be negative. And this type of people, they never finish anything. Okay, they started, and then in the middle of something, if they do have like a roadblock, they never do something for them. Okay, they're always thinking about what if the world collapse. They are always blaming their circumstances. Hey, do not overthink. Just take action, put a little faith, make a commitment with your success, and go for it. Okay. The third one, there is no perfect time. Oh my God. I really don't know why, but some people, I don't know, they're waiting for the planets to be aligned with the sun, the moon, all the stars and everything, but there is going to be no perfect time. Let me tell you my story. This is the second time that I'm having an online business. Last year, I started maybe around March, okay? I did not make, maybe I make like $1 or $2 on an online business. But that's okay. I was learning. Okay, I was learning. I did not have any kind of mentorship. I did not study. I decided to do it by my own. I do have a person who promised me to teach me. He never actually helped me. That's okay. So I decided to move on to another business opportunity, and I just had $50. And I was like, okay, I'm scared to death because this is the only thing that I have. I was full in debts. Okay, I was paying between $1,500 to $2,000 just in debts. I have a really bad job that was paying me a ridiculous amount of money, and not in the good way. I was under stress. I I moved to another country, so a lot of things were changing. The perfect wasn't time, the right or perfect time, and here I am. I decide to stick with it. I decide to have a commitment with myself, to do whatever it takes to make it happen, to learn whatever I need to learn. Okay, I decided to have a commitment with my success, and to understand that there is no perfect time, that I need to create my perfect time, that the time it's now, it's not tomorrow, it's not the next week, because we are always going to have excuses. I'm going to put this in an example. Let's say that you have a car, but for some reason you have some kind of accident, or it was raining and there was like a hole on the highway, and you didn't put attention to it, because it was raining and full of water and whatever. And for some reasons, two or three of your tires just explode. Boom. They told you that you need to pay $300 if you want to get back to your car. Okay, if you want to have your car working in an optimal way, again, to have free tire, better tires, because they got destroyed because you have this accident. I can guarantee you that in less than 24 hours, you're gonna figure out how to get $300. It doesn't matter if you don't have the money right away, because it's important for you. Okay, it's the same with your business. If you're really sick and tired of having a full-time job, if you are sick of tired, maybe not about your job, but maybe you want something else, you want to have time freedom because your kids are growing and you are not there, because your parents are getting older and you are not there, you have a family member, special someone, you just want to go on vacation whenever you want. Okay, if you did not feel comfortable with that, you're going to take action no matter what, and you're going to do whatever it takes to make it happen. Okay, because I have seen other people who were in a better circumstance than myself, but they did not have any kind of commitment with themselves and with their success, and that's why they quit. Okay, that's why they keep making excuses for not take action. Okay, and I don't want that for you. So take into consideration that there is no perfect time. The time it's now. And last but not the least, this is a business. Man, this is a business. This is not a get rich scheme. Okay, if you really want to make money online, this is not a get rich scheme. Your computer is not an ATM that you're just gonna turn it on, and I don't know, for some kind of miracle, something is gonna happen and you're gonna be able to withdraw $1 million just overnight. No, that's not gonna happen. This is a business. As a business, you need to treat this as a business. You need to invest time, or you need to invest money, or you need to invest both. Yeah, there is a low cost comparing to an offline business, comparing to a franchise, but there is a business. Okay, there is an investment, and this is a business. You need to treat this as a business. You need to be there. You need to have a commitment with your business. I really don't understand why, but there is a lot of people who join a business opportunity today, and then they decide like, hey, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna quit if I do not have a result in the next month. Are you serious about this, or this is just a hobby? Okay. If you treat this as a hobby, you're gonna have hobby results. If you treat this as a business, you're gonna have a business result. What if I can tell you that put an effort? Let's say that you're gonna have a commitment and you're gonna be investing 1 or 2 hours per day for the next year. And there are high possibilities that you're going to be making way more money than what you're making right now working 8 hours per day, because this is your business. There is no limits on how much money you can make. Your boss or uh, HR or the accountant of the company is not going to say like, hey, we can just afford, quote unquote, afford this amount of money in this position. There is no limit but yourself, but you need to have a commitment. You need to understand that this is a business. You need to treat it as a business. Your business and yourself, again, it's going to be evolving. Okay? You need to take action. You need to get rid of negativity. You need to understand that there is no perfect time, and you need to understand that this is a business. If you want to learn, which are the top 10 businesses to make money online right now, I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check them out. Okay? Not every business is not for everybody, and that's okay. But if you really want to make money online, you need to understand these four secrets. The most important one is that you need to take action. Take action right now. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.